Dear students, very good morning. As I last time met you and gave my message on coronavirus COVID-19, and I told you that it is spreading on a huge scale and become a very huge challenge to the nation. Still the governments, the all authorities, we, you and all are trying to combat this disease, this virus faithfully. And this is our duty to remain observing in the period of this fatal virus. My dear students, as you know, English has been a very tough subject. Only you think it, but it is not true at all, because it is tough definitely when you are not in proper touch, when you are not proper rhythm, when you have no faith in it, when you have no dedication for it, and when you don't want to make any understanding about English, then it is difficult. But I say you, it is not difficult, because if you are not trying your best, everything is difficult. And once you got your rhythm, you got your understanding, you got your dedication, definitely you can make things very, very easy at all. My dear students, make English your friend. And as you know, you can share everything with your friend. Even you cannot share your things to your parents also, but you can share things to your friend. And it is very true. So, what are the reasons for hesitation? Tell me. If you are honest, if you are dedicated, if you are in well-going condition, there is no problem for you. My dear students, I am going to tell you few special tips. What you have to do, how you have to do, where you have to do, when you have to do, as you want to be a good scholar in English. And as I told you, after the completion of your higher educations and diploma and degrees also, you will have to go outside your houses, your homes, to give your services. Outside and far away from your houses, so far where the one thing is materially changed, your tongue, your language. We can speak in Hindi properly, but if we are not able to speak, learn and write English properly, then outside our houses, if we are sometimes abroad, you cannot understand English, and how can you go ahead? Your strides will definitely go behind. And I think your progress and your success will be on cards. My dear students, as I told you, English is not tough. There is a huge wall between your learnings and your understandings. The word is hesitation. I know you can understand English, when a teacher is going to dictate you something. You can write English when a teacher or someone is going to give you tips. You can write them down properly. But when the turn comes of your speaking, you go bothered. Your strides slips down because you cannot speak English properly. And what is the reason? The only reason. It doesn't mean you have no knowledge. You have sufficient knowledge. But one thing you have to be defied out, the hesitation. You think, if I speak English, there will be mistakes and someone will laugh at me. Why? Why do you think so? You must think everything starts from A and ends up to Z. If mistakes will not be made, the word solution and its utility is of no use. So, if you want an expert in English speaking, you have to follow few things. First, create an atmosphere inside your houses. Your youngers, your elders, your parents, share your thinkings with them. That is the real forum for you. They will applaud you, they will appreciate you at every step. Might be they are lacking of English, yet they will listen what you say easily and comfortably and appreciate you so that you can go up. And the second thing, your classes. And unluckily, classes are not being held these days, so you have to stay at home and you have to got your preparations at your will. I know you are strong enough, you are laborious enough, you have complete dedication to your subjects, to your motivation, to your motto and to your success. So don't hesitate, say what you want. Today it may be wrong, but tomorrow it will turn into a complete correction. And if once it is made, your strides will go ahead, there will be no problem for you. You will be able to speak English in a flow, in a rhythm, in a tandem. So these tips you will have to keep very close, keep regularity, give your subject 10 minutes daily. I say only 10 minutes. Take your books, read it loudly. It will make your pronunciations clear. It will defy your hesitation. And meanings sometimes which are not very clear to you, in a sentence they are used, they will be very clear to you and you will understand the meaning of the word. So I assure you, be very careful. You have the potential, you have everything what could be do for the sake of your knowledge, for the sake of your upgoing strides. So dear friends, this message should bring you some very fruitful things and you will be very close to your study and think to make English your friend, because without English you cannot get success at will. Might be you succeed, but if you want to go, if you want to learn, if you want to govern things, that you will have to be a complete person in English. Okay, my dear students, these days I see in rural areas where the resources are lacking these things are happening around us. But for you to